This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: this procedure applies only to models equipped with traditional halogen headlight bulbs. Due to the high voltages produced on models with HID headlight systems, HID headlights are not covered. Halogen bulbs are gas-filled and under pressure and may shatter if the surface is scratched or the bulb is dropped. Wear eye protection and handle the bulbs carefully. Do not touch the surface of the bulb with your fingers because the oils from your skin could cause the bulb to overheat and fail prematurely. Loosen the wheel lug nuts. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheels. Remove the inner fender well splash shield fasteners, then remove the splash shield. There is a round cover protecting each bulb. Note, the outside bulb is the low beam and the inside bulb is the high beam. Turn the cover counterclockwise and remove it to expose the bulbs. Remove the bulb from the headlight housing, then disconnect the electrical connector. Connect the electrical connector to the new bulb and holder. Properly align and install the bulb holder into the housing, then twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Check the operation of the bulb. Reinstall the bulb cover. The same replacement concept applies to the high beam, except for the different type of bulb and the way it's connected. Reinstall the fender well splash shield. Install all the fasteners securing the splash shield. Install the wheels and lug nuts. Safely lower the vehicle. Then tighten the wheel lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds.